we started tracking this about a month ago, and it was like 8%, and now it's 24%. You see, the journey is not the same for all LLMs. ChatGPT, in my opinion, from what I've seen over and over again, it's the slowest one, not just the one that you think you have the least brand visibility. It is the slowest one. How do we test these things? We do changes. I go to Google the next day. It might be ranking on Google or showing up on the AI overview. So Google, the search engine, not Gemini, not Google AI mode, is the fastest AI right now, and is the best way to test these things on the fly. If it shows up on Google the next day, 2 days, 3 days later, you did great. You will start seeing this. You will start seeing Perplexity, Gemini, and then hopefully ChatGPT coming out at the end of the of the sprint, trying to get to the end of the marathon. Very late to the game. It's very typical for ChatGPT to be slower. So content updates and new content making an impact. You can see it in weeks. Every week you should see it. The other thing is, this is the impact. You can create groups inside HubSpot AEO and see specific groups of prompts that are for specific location, specific service, or something like that. This is an example of ChatGPT coming late to the game, but also the impact of one blog. I took a listing blog. Remember, I gave you that example, that listing blog that had all the competitors and the company at the end, reworded, reposted it, updated it, give it a new date, which is also important for AI. And we went from nothing to 34% AI visibility